Hello guys, Shahzad again from seiluk Limited. Today I want to show you about the fourth floor logic control elevator system. And already I make two video as you if you see my channel, video 1 and video 2, uh, which I explain about logic control. And today I want put inside, as you can see, VFD, which is this is a 2 horsepower VFD, and then I also put 1.5 kilowatt three phase motor. This VFD is single phase and they give output three phase. And I want to show you the book is somewhere here. This is a Chinese make uh, VFD. So, so I use, as you can see on the diagram, is a three phase output and single phase input, which I did like this. I use this one. Then also I use this is inputs set already uh, parameter settings on forward, reverse already set. I use this one, and then I put this VFD in my logic control, as you can see here. So let me show you how it works. If you see my previous video, I'll explain. Just only today I just add this VFD in my logic control. Yeah. So let me start. I give a first call. As you can see, lift is on first floor. Motor start, and then motor coming on first floor. Start, door open, door close. Motor going up. On this floor, motor stop, door open, door close, camera on. Motor going up, then stop, door open, door close. Yeah. Somebody call, give you ground floor. Timer start, down, motor reverse. Coming on third floor, nothing happen. Coming on first floor, nothing happen. Coming on ground floor, door open, door close. Yep. So somebody give you call on number 3, for example. So number 3 call coming, timer start, motor going up. So VFD start, motor start. Set first floor, nothing happen. Going on second floor, motor stop, door open, door close. Okay. Somebody give you call, for example, number 4, motor going up. You have to start, motor start, and fourth floor, door open, door close. Okay. Somebody give you call, for example, number 3, start, 3, door open, door close. So hope you understand. Thank you very much. Any question, please let me in the description, and please subscribe my channel and share my video, and please give some thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye.